Hi, my name's Isabel Strawn, and today I'm going to teach you about biomimicry. I think biomimicry is an amazing topic because of its potential to create more sustainable and efficient designs.
The word biomimicry comes from the Greek bios, which means life, and mimesis, which means imitation. Biomimicry is sustainable innovation inspired by nature's genius, and designers using biomimicry ask themselves, how does nature solve this problem? Biomimicry focuses on nature as a model, nature as a measure, and nature as a mentor. Using nature as a model for design refers to being inspired by forms, processes, and systems seen in nature. For example, this city uses 20% of the world's annual energy use to control the internal climate of the buildings. By contrast, the Eastgate building, an office complex in Zimbabwe, has an internal climate control system originally inspired by the structure of termite mounds, which requires zero fossil fuels to keep within reasonable temperatures. This building is modeled after the form of the termite mounds to conserve fossil fuels. Using nature as a measure refers to observing the 3.8 billion years of evolution that have led to the life forms that have survived today. Designers use the patterns found among the species that have survived in order to measure the sustainability of their design. These patterns are called life's principles, and they include concepts such as a species' ability to adapt to changing conditions and a species' ability to evolve to survive. Nature as a mentor is the concept that we need to respect nature by learning from it rather than taking from it in order to solve problems. We need to look to nature for inspiration and guidance when designing. Perhaps one of the most famous examples of designing with biomimicry is the design of the nose of a Japanese bullet train. Traveling at over 200 miles per hour, the initial design for the train featured a bullet-shaped nose, as the name suggests, but this design caused sonic booms each time the train exited a tunnel at full speed, disrupting the local residents. The solution was to modify the train front to be shaped like a kingfisher's beak. These birds were able to make the transition from air into water, making barely a splash, and the designers used this amazing feature of the bird as inspiration to solve the problem and modify the nose of the train. Why is biomimicry important? The natural world is the only real model of sustainability over a long period of time, and designs inspired by nature are not only more sustainable, but they're also more efficient and functional. This design strategy has led to breakthroughs and new techniques in transportation, architecture, communication, medicine, energy, and agriculture. Biomimicry can help us design a sustainable future.